Hello everyone. Recently I was contacted by a company named Briskmore, and they have CO2 components to help you if you get a flat. So if you use CO2s, you can check them out if you're interested. So all you do is you take the CO2 and you turn it into the component. I can't unscrew this because then the air will blow out. There is a lock here and it turns to release the air. We're gonna go into putting it on the tire. So what you do is you just put it on like a regular CO2 and then it screws on. Now this is Presta valve, which is mine, the skinnier valve, and Schrader valve compatible, so it works on both. So you screw it on all the way, so now it's on, and then you would just turn like this and let some air out. My tire's already aired up, so we're not gonna put a lot of air in there. Unscrew this off when you're done.
Oh. It's spinning, the whole valve's spinning.
Is it?
Yeah, everything's spinning.
Oh shit. And voila, it works. Basically, since I just let all the air out of my tubeless tire, what I did was I unscrewed the valve on accident because I tightened the CO2 too much. So I'm gonna actually air up the tire so you can see. The cool thing about the Briskmore is like this CO2 cartridge is literally freezing right now. And so this sleeve protects your hands from like getting frostbite or just being frozen. It's pretty neat. It's not a must-have, but it's really convenient. I got to use it on my ride the other day when I got a flat and it helped me out in time of need. If you guys want to check out Briskmore, I'll post a link down below. You can get it on Amazon. And the first 3 people to reach out to me in a private message on my Instagram, which is also down below, Shawn Remy, I will try and get you guys 1 cent so you can test it out and send back your results. And if you have a YouTube channel, maybe you can do a video. So, first 3 people, if you guys want to check it out, let me know. Private message on Instagram. That's how you're gonna get one. Thanks for watching.